Wait, she can wait for the
Come here.
and then open this school one too at the same time. She put on the Princess and Fairy Tale.
Come here. You're gonna run me over, aren't you? Come on. Let's go back the other way. Come on, back up. Beep, beep, beep. Come on.
Come on, honey. Sometimes that works best.
Okay.
Your shoes look big, a little slippery, huh?
Come on.
Come on.
Don't get in the way, Ty.
Oh, bye.
Hey, Jacqueline, how do we turn this thing off, honey?
Button on.